Here's how you can create viral recipes on Pinterest by using ChatGPT. If you want to create one of those viral food recipes on Pinterest and want to post it on them, you can use ChatGPT for it, and it is easier than you think. First of all, go onto your browser and search for ChatGPT. You'll need to log in or sign up. Go ahead and do it. If you don't want to do it, you can stay logged out, but that way your data won't be saved. Once you're on the main page, you'll need to add up a prompt. Just add in whatever sort of recipes you want to post. For example, dinner recipes, breakfast recipes, or whatever you want. I'm just gonna ask him to create me some viral food recipes in general. As you can see, it is giving me a lot of viral and trendy snackables, popular mains and bites, breakfasts, wild desserts, and whatnot. It has given me a lot of recipes that I can just copy and paste it on Pinterest. It has also given me some pictures. As you can see, you can post these pictures straight up on Pinterest, or if you want to create a whole post for it, you can use Canva for it. Just log into Canva. You can use Canva AI for it. Just ask it to make you a food recipe and you can just paste your recipe there, or you can just use one of its templates and customize it. And once you're all done, just go onto your Pinterest account and post it on there. By doing this, you can create viral food recipes by using ChatGPT, and then you can post it on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.